Look out! Boss's warning skill will cause Look, there's a coin! Throw it to me, I'll give you a surprise! Tap on wish cap and tap here for a Wow, good outfit, try it on! The new equipment is in the backpack. First, tap the backpack button. Tap on equipment to... It looks great! Now let's catch up with Bowser. Huh, this big guy is really hard to deal with.
Toadette, why is this big guy chasing after you?
I went on an expedition to the Sand Kingdom with Toad, but we got strayed with each other. I don't know how I got here and woke up T-Rex by accident. How about you? How did you get here?
Bowser robbed Princessa Peach and Cappy's sister, and we are going to save them. Let's go together. While passing through the Sand Kingdom, we can find Toad together.
The auto fight function is unlocked. Let's try it. Congratulations! You accomplished the mission assigned by Mushroom King. Click the mission button to get the bonus. When it's time, the seal will be lifted. Don't forget to return for the bonus.
The dragon that just attacked our spaceship. How come such a big monster obeys Bowser?
Watch out! This big guy seems not so easy to deal with.
I was ordered by Avalanche to investigate. Are you also a monster made by the Shinra? It will be cruel, but I have to take your body back today.
Hey!
Friends, come here. This seems to be a space-time machine.
Batteries are still scattered on the ground. Maybe we can try to start the space-time machine.
Try using the...
You look silly!
Wow, Luigi! Are you Luigi?
Luigi! That's a good name! Call me Rabbit Luigi from now on! Now that I'm summoned by you, let's venture tougher! I'm starving! Give me the mushrooms! I want to eat mushrooms!
Give this poor fellow some experience mushrooms. First, tap on the partner button.
Idiot! Aha! I'm full now! Take me on an adventure!
Let me join the team now! I can't wait! Don't hesitate! Let's adventure now!
Recycling is unlocked. Tap the back. Spare equipment can be recycled and converted into outfit dust. Tap the Upgrading the equipment level can quickly enhance the power. Tap the upgrade button to upgrade the equipment level. Enough materials to awaken the main character now. First, click on the protagonist button.